All right, my friends, get ready to have your minds blown wide open. We've got something truly phenomenal to unveil today. I'm talking about a jaw-dropping, tears-in-your-eyes, 2-meter-long magnetic knife holder. But this isn't just any knife holder. This is a piece of art meticulously handcrafted from the heartwood of a noble, ancient tree. This isn't your run-of-the-mill knife holder that you pick up from a department store. This is premium, high-end living at its absolute finest, marrying style and practicality in one superb package. Trees. They are the truest, most honest time capsules of nature. Silently standing tall, bearing the scars of time, and growing with an enduring elegance that's as inspiring as it is breathtaking. The trunk we chose for this masterpiece isn't a mere sapling. No, sir, we're talking about a solid 1 mem in diameter. Just picture that for a moment. We've breathed new life into this venerable piece of wood, carefully carving it into a magnetic knife block that's not only the biggest wooden knife holder out there in the wild, but also a breathtaking piece of functional art that'll make your kitchen sparkle with sophistication. And what's our secret weapon in this venture? The mighty neodymium magnets. These aren't your everyday fridge magnets. These are the real deal, sturdy, dependable, and the catalyst behind our innovative knife holder. Your knives will stick right where they should be, easily accessible. At our core, we're driven by the relentless pursuit of innovation. We've harnessed the seemingly limitless power of AI technology and melded it with our passion for craftsmanship to create this unique knife holder. We didn't do this overnight. It took countless hours of testing and refining, with our AI system enabling us to experiment with an innumerable array of magnet arrangements and spacings, ultimately helping us design the ideal holder for knives of all shapes and sizes, from petite paring knives to mighty chef's knives. Now, our video isn't just a showcase of this magnificent knife holder. Oh no, it's much more than that. It's a testament to the harmonious merger of handcrafted excellence and AI-powered design. And let me tell you, we're just revving up the engine. We have a whole host of AI-inspired furniture projects in the pipeline, and trust me when I say, you don't want to be left in the dust. So, smash that subscribe button, buckle up, and come along for the ride of a lifetime as we redefine the face of furniture design. Creating this stunning knife holder wasn't a walk in the park. It was a labor of love, a test of patience, and a journey of discovery. Imagine slicing through the sturdy trunk of an ancient tree, revealing the stories etched in its grains. Imagine sanding it down to a perfect, smooth finish, the wood coming alive under your touch. Imagine drilling the precise magnet holes, mounting the powerful neodymium magnets, and finally, applying a food-safe sealant to preserve its natural allure. The final product is a testament to the timeless beauty of nature, a tribute to its strength and resilience, and an ode to the rustic charm that it infuses into our lives. So, what do you think? We're all ears for your feedback and ideas. Your input is our guiding star, leading us to uncharted territories and untapped potential. Remember, by subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to see our latest AI-enhanced DIY projects. You're not just a spectator, you're a part of this journey. Together, let's push the boundaries of AI and craftsmanship. Let's break the norms, challenge the status quo, and redefine what's possible. We're on a mission, a rather audacious one. We're trying to fuse the vast, seemingly infinite world of data and algorithms with the delicate, meticulous world of artisanal skill to create unique, functional, and breathtaking designs like this magnetic knife rack. With AI, we can experiment with more designs and concepts than ever before. It's like having an endless canvas where our ideas are the brush strokes that bring it to life. We're itching to prototype more creative knife holder designs and storage solutions, and we need your bright ideas. You're the spark that ignites the fire of creativity, and we're the blacksmiths, ready to shape it into something extraordinary. In our quest to blend AI with artisanal craftsmanship, we're firm believers in the power of human creativity. We see technology as a tool, a catalyst that uncovers new paths and possibilities. It's not here to replace us, but to enhance our capabilities, to give wings to our imagination. The natural textures and grains of wood are simply irreplaceable, a testament to nature's beauty that no machine can replicate. That's where our hands-on approach comes in, guiding the final creation with the finesse only a human touch can provide. But let's not dismiss the edge that AI gives us when it comes to rapid prototyping and testing. It's like having an extra set of hands, an extra mind, working tirelessly alongside us. This journey, this venture, it's new, it's exciting, and it's filled with limitless potential. And we want you, yes you, to be a part of it. We're eager to hear from you if you've got any groundbreaking ideas or innovations we should explore. We're all about taking the road less traveled, surprising you with innovative designs for knife holders, storage, furniture, and beyond. We're not just building furniture, we're building a community, a movement, a revolution in design and creativity. Now don't just take my word for it. Stay tuned for our next video where we build furniture inspired by AI suggestions. It's going to be a wild ride, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. So, take a moment, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. We're committed to continuous innovation, to pushing the envelope, and to introducing new ideas, designs, techniques, and tools in collaboration with our AI assistant. This is more than just a channel, it's a canvas where creativity comes to life. Thank you, from the bottom of our hearts, for tuning in, for being a part of this journey. We're beyond excited to share even more with you soon. And remember, your voice matters. Don't hesitate to comment if you have ideas for AI-assisted woodworking videos you'd like us to make in the future. We're not just creating, we're co-creating with you at the helm. Your suggestions, your ideas, they blaze our trail, shaping the journey as we forge ahead. So, let's do this together. Let's design, let's build, let's learn. Let's push the boundaries of what's possible and redefine the future of furniture design. Let's make the world a more beautiful, more functional, and more creative place, one piece of furniture at a time. Let's spread the joy of creation and share the thrill of discovery. Let's make magic happen. Remember, every revolution begins with a single step, and every masterpiece starts with a single stroke. So, are you ready to take that step? Are you ready to make your mark on this canvas of creativity? Are you ready to join the revolution and be a part of something bigger than yourself? If your answer is a resounding yes, then welcome aboard, my friend. Let's set sail on this exciting adventure, with the winds of creativity filling our sails and the horizon of endless possibilities beckoning us forward. In the end, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, the experiences we share, the challenges we overcome, and the triumphs we celebrate. It's about the magic we create together, the sparks we ignite, and the fire we fuel. It's about turning dreams into reality and making the impossible possible. It's about daring to dream, daring to create, and daring to make a difference. So, let's dream big, let's create fearlessly, and let's make a difference together. Let's embark on this journey of a lifetime, a journey where creativity knows no bounds, innovation has no limits, and ideas flow freely. Let's unlock the doors of imagination, unleash the power of creativity, and explore the uncharted territories of innovation. Are you with me? Let's make history together. In the end, it's not the furniture we create that matters. It's the stories we tell, the connections we make, and the lives we touch. It's about the journey, the adventure, and the memories we create along the way. So let's start this adventure together. Let's create memories, let's tell stories, and let's touch lives. Let's make the world a better place, one piece of furniture at a time. Are you ready? I hope you are, because the future is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. So let's embrace it, let's shape it, and let's make it our own. Let's turn dreams into reality, ideas into innovations, and visions into masterpieces. Let's celebrate creativity, honor craftsmanship, and redefine design. Let's do it together, and let's do it with passion, with courage, and with love. Thank you for being a part of this journey, for believing in us, and for inspiring us to reach for the stars. We can't wait to share more with you soon and continue this amazing adventure together.